Liana asked a question in relation to police clearances, and in simple terms, she asked, do they need to be translated? And really, the simple answer is yes. I mean, any document that isn't in English needs to be translated into English. Whether or not you need to use NAATI accredited translators or overseas authorized translators or people that can translate overseas really depends on whether it's an onshore or offshore application. The majority, I suppose, of users will likely be onshore applicants. And therefore, if it's an onshore partner visa that's been submitted, you must go through a NAATI accredited translator in order to translate your documentation. And if we're talking about things like police clearances, certainly those things need to be translated because the government need to see that the visa applicant or the sponsor, don't have a certain type of criminal history that could, either mean that they fail the visa criteria or the sponsorship criteria. So yeah, just to reiterate, Liana, if you're watching this or if anyone's watching this, if your documents, if official third-party documents are issued to you and they're not in English, because sometimes they're in dual language, sometimes they'll be in English and also the native language, in which case you don't need to translate because it's in English. But if it's not, if it's just in, let's say, Portuguese in this case, it needs to be translated.